How UAE's trade partners drive economic growth worldwide. The United Arab Emirates has become a global trade powerhouse, connecting markets across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. In 2024, the UAE's foreign trade soared to a record AED 5.23 trillion, up 49% from 2021. Its top trading partners include Saudi Arabia, India, Iraq, Turkey, Hong Kong, the United States, Switzerland, and Oman. On the import side, China, India, the USA, and Japan lead the way. These strong partnerships drive not only the UAE's economic growth, but also support global supply chains and investment. With world-class infrastructure and business-friendly policies, the UAE continues to play a vital role in shaping international commerce and fostering economic development worldwide. Access detailed UAE import-export data and valuable trade insights at view.exportimportdata.se.